Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook, and today we are going to learn from page number 15. Children, on this page we are going to read, match and write 3 letter CVC phonics words. Look at this, children. This word is top. Listen again, children. The word is top. Listen one more time, children. This word is top. Now say with me, children. This word is top. Say again, children. The word is top. Now read with me, children. This word is top. Read again, children. The word is top. And this word is hop. Listen again, children. This word is hop. Listen one more time, children. The word is hop. Now say with me, this is hop. Say again, children. This word is hop. And this word is mop. Listen again, children. The word is mop. Listen one more time, children. This is mop. Now say with me, this word is mop. Say again, children. The word is mop. Now read with me, children. This word is mop. And this is dog. Listen again, children. This word is dog. Listen one more time, children. The word is dog. Now say with me, this is dog. Say again, children. This word is dog. Let's read with me, children. This word is dog. And this is jog. Listen again, children. The word is jog. Listen one more time, children. This is jog. Now say with me, this is jog. Say again, children. The word is jog. Let's read this word, children. This is jog. And this word is log. Listen again, children. The word is log. Listen one more time, children. This word is log. Now say with me, this is log. Say again, children. This word is log. Let's read this word, children. This is log. Now we are going to read all the words on this page, children. This is top. This is hop. This is mop. This is dog. This is jog. And this is log. Children, this word is top, and the word top is matched with a straight line with another word top. Likewise, we will match all the words. This is hop, and this is another word hop. Children, you have to match this word hop with this hop with a straight line. This is mop, and this is another word mop. Children, you have to match this word mop with this mop with a straight line. This is dog, and this is another word dog. Children, you have to match this word dog with this word dog with a straight line. This is jog, and this is another word jog. Children, you have to match this word jog with this jog with a straight line. This is log, and this is another word log. Children, you have to match this word log with this word log with a straight line. After matching the words, children, now you are going to write these words. This word is mop. Children, you have to write mop here in these 4 lines by yourself. This word is dog. Children, you have to write dog here by yourself. This is log. Children, you have to write log here in these lines by yourself. This is hop. Children, you have to write hop here by yourself. This is top. Children, you have to write the word top here in these 4 lines by yourself. This is jog, and children, you are going to write the word jog in these 4 lines by yourself. Children, let's read the words again. Mop, dog, log, hop, top, jog.